a leopard. Able to prey on over 90 different species, they will eat almost anything they can catch. Even porcupines. Armed with thousands of needle-sharp quills. But with short, stubby legs, they can't outrun the leopard. Cornered, the porcupines first rattle out a warning. Enough to deter almost every predator. But not leopards. They target a weakness in the porcupine's defense, their softer underbelly. Leopards don't give up easily, so the porcupines take things to the next level, turning defense into attack and driving their point home. And stick within the enemy.